What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. Now, this is a little bit of a convoluted method to actually get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, as you may already know that the Nintendo eShop does not offer a native Roblox application. So in order to bypass this limitation and actually get Roblox, the first thing that you want to do is head over to your system settings. Then inside of your system settings, you want to go to Internet Settings. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and click on Change Settings. Now, if you scroll down a little bit on this page, you'll see the DNS options. You will most likely have the DNS set to automatic, and what you want to do is go ahead and set it to manual. For your primary DNS, it's probably going to be all zeros, but you're going to type in what you see on the screen right now, which is 045.055.142.122. This is what your primary DNS should look like. Once this is done, hit save. And once you're on this screen, simply try connecting to the network. You'll want to wait until the connection fails, and then you can select next. This will basically take you to the SwitchBRU DNS page, and from here, you can go on to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, just type in Roblox and then head over to the Roblox login page. And after you've logged into your account, you'll be able to access Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. It's fully functional and works just like the application. One quick tip is after you've done using Roblox, you can just switch your DNS back to automatic to use other online applications. And whenever you do want to use Roblox again, you can always switch it back to manual and the DNS number will still be saved on your Nintendo Switch. So that's pretty much how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like to the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.